bag here, metal here. Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to It's Rachel. When you go to the beach, when you're having a picnic, or you travel, or just anywhere like outdoors, this would be, you know, fun that you can carry it anywhere. It's light and it's not heavy. Let's get started, guys.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be?
Here it is. So this one, I will be showing you what's inside in this, you know, bag here. This is the bag that comes with it, and so see that you can just carry it anywhere, or going to the beach or to the lake, you know, wherever that you wanna, you know, go. Like you wanna feel comfortable, you know, sit there and just relax, okay? And I can just, you know, carry this like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and actually this is a folding chair. It's a beach folding chair. I don't have enough room here, but I hope you can see a lot better. But anyway, this material is a mesh, okay, so the air can go in and out, you know. So, and also the handle over here, this one is metal. This two arms has a arm cushion, and also on the back you can put some stuff in here, because this is a, you know, like a pocket, or you know, you can just put anything, whatever you want in this pocket. And also there's one down here, you know, like that. So and also on this side, this is not very heavy either. And this one here where you can put your drinks, and it attaches to this metal thing, so you can just stick, you know, your drink over here, like, or anything like soda or a pop or a bottled, you know, water. And on this side here, see, that's what it looks like. And it really sits, you know, low, almost to the ground, but there's an, you know, there's a gap, but it's not really like you're sitting on the ground. So, but you know, I tried it outside. I'll show you guys. I took a video when I was outside, and even my husband, he sat on it. He said that it feels comfortable, and you can just, you know, sit and relax, carry that one, because it's very handy and it's very light. And it's portable, and yeah, you can just fold it, and there's it comes with a bag, so it's just easy. So yeah, so what do you think about that beach folding chair? So just leave a comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. I uploaded videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, so I hope you enjoy watching, and thank you for keep supporting my channel, and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.